Soapy soaps you clean in ocean full of fun.
Scrubbly bubbly flibbity flabbity clean before you're done.
Today we're going to make some soap. The ingredients of the soap are olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, and some lye. We'll also need a mixer, a crock pot, a scale, and some silicone muffin pans. One time I used a metal muffin pan and I ruined it trying to get the soap out. We also need a recipe. So step one is we're going to add the water to the crock pot. 14 ounces. Now here's a little secret. If you've ever made soap and it didn't turn out, it's because all these measurements are in solid weight. So here we've got 8 ounces of water in the measuring cup, which actually only weighs 6 point. The water's getting lighter. Well, now it's the next day. We've already put a whole day into this and haven't accomplished anything. My dollar store battery went dead. This battery is so old they don't even sell these at the dollar store anymore. So I will replace it with a non-dollar store battery. So what I was trying to explain yesterday is that when you find these recipes for soap on the internet, the amounts of the ingredients are in solid weight, not liquid. So you can see here that 8 ounces of water actually weighs 7.5 ounces. Now we need 5.8 ounces of lye, or sodium hydroxide. Now at this concentration, if this stuff splashes in your face, it causes instant and permanent blindness. So we're going to move the scale over here. I can feel the stuff burning my nose. 20 ounces of olive oil. Now we need 12 ounces of coconut oil, which is, it's like wax. I could put it in the microwave and melt it, which I might end up doing. All right, it's going in the microwave. Okay, so once again, even though this is now a liquid, we're looking for the solid weight. 12 ounces. I don't know if I'm going to get 12 ounces out of this bottle. There's 6.3. I think it's going to do it perfectly. Yeah, there's 12.1. You know what? There's a little bit left in here. And since this is not an exact science, we'll just dump it all in. Now we need 10 ounces of this palm oil. That's about 3. So why do I want to make my own soap? Well, if you can find unscented soap in the store, you still don't have any idea what it's made out of. What is all that crap they sell in the store actually composed of? Here's something else to ponder. What do hand cleaner, shampoo, body wash, dishwashing liquid, and even laundry detergent have in common? They're all made from the same slimy goop. They must make this goop in 50,000 gallon vats and then sell it to us. It's probably the cheapest crap you could possibly manufacture. It's starting to get thick. It's turning into vanilla pudding. Now it's almost time to fill up these molds. But first, I'm going to make a special bar of soap for our governor, the governor of Pennsylvania. It's a bar of soap that's mostly Tax. God forbid you would want to smoke a cigarette or drink a glass of wine without paying the piper his tax. Too much tax. That was a good one. So while we're waiting for the soap to finish, I notice it's getting lighter. I'll show you a few things here. This is something my daughter gave me for a birthday, I think. It's an alien that sticks to things, and you can program them to say anything you want. So I went online and I got a little snippet of audio from Star Trek.
Priority 1 message from Starfleet coming in on Signored channel.
It's also motion sensitive.
Priority 1 message from Starfleet coming in.
So he's normally in the off position. Now, before I met Andrea, I was dating a girl in Ocean City, New Jersey, named Marianne Kelly. And one day we went to this craft fair down there, because it was in the middle of winter, actually. And I found these things. I bought a bunch. I gave her half of them. But you put these outside, and when the wind blows, their heads move. It doesn't look like much. You have to go outside. Here are my astronauts. I think they're space shuttle astronauts. And this is Iron Man, who for some reason is holding 2 bells. I think Andrea gave him the bells. Andrea actually gave me the Iron Man. There's a 3D thing in the back that shows how his suit is made. Boy, I hope the governor doesn't come after me for what I said about making soap that's full of tax. Well, I've got about 5 minutes to get this stuff into the molds, or I'm going to have one giant bar of soap that's the shape of a crock pot. Hello? Hello, Governor. Yes, sir. Yes. No, I didn't vote for you. The part about the taxes? You want me to take it out? Or you'll do what? My automobile registration. I think I overcooked this soap by about 10 minutes. I should have filled these cups up when it was all smooth and creamy and looking like vanilla pudding instead of applesauce. But this will still make excellent soap. After all this stuff cools off, I'll chip all this off and put it in a baggie and just throw it in the washing machine next time I do some laundry. So tomorrow we'll pop them out of the cups and see how they look. See you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and we're ready to pop the soap out of the molds. There's 6 nice bars of soap. I just have to clean them up a little bit. And they're thick enough that they'll last quite a while in the shower.
Julie's going to compare her own favourite soap with a mystery soap.
It does actually feel a little thicker. This lather's much thinner.
Try the lather on your skin, Julie.
Yes, it feels, this one feels richer. It's more creamy. It's actually got a lot more lather than mine. Can I please open the box and see what it is?
Yes, go on. Turn the key, and the mystery soap is?